can't rob you, mate. I don't think you want to be doing that.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Ooh, I just felt my dick move.
Fucking useless woman. What the fuck?
Whoa.
You can eat your whole garden. Well, not the cactus. Spring is grow your own season at Flower Power, the garden people.
When your client pays late, that's a sign to call Creditor Watch. When your client asks for an extension, that's a sign to call Creditor Watch. When your
PJ's what I want you. Oh, I'm gonna fucking send it. Whoa!
I'm gonna rip your balls off! What the hell was that?
We did an investigation into what are described as communications issues. He's now back in his job, and on return to his job, chair since 2017, Jeremy Smith, has left the board, allegedly, according to the statement put out, because his business travel commitments are such that he can't do the job because now the borders are open, which sounds an awful lot like the old wants to spend more time with his family.
Best because you get to immerse yourself in a topic, go at your own pace with Brilliant, with extra help if you get stuck. It's just perfect for at home or on the go. Now I know a lot of you out there are aspiring astrophysicists, you know, as I once was, and Brilliant has a fantastic astrophysics course.
Don't let him in, don't let him in, don't let him in, don't let the cunt in, don't let the cunt in, don't... Wow!
A bailiff swore Corin in, and Hala Etik approached him cautiously, as if he were radioactive. I hardly know where to begin. Perhaps you can tell the court what has transpired since you were reported dead. Sure. Corin took a deep breath, then started. I'm certain General Kraken will debrief me.
Don't.
Some of what I have to say probably shouldn't be said in open court, but I'll try to keep it cogent and coherent. Akbar nodded down at him. Your discretion is appreciated. Yes, sir.
idiot.
Corin smiled at the prosecutor.
Shoryuken!
Oh my goodness.
Too much weight on that, dude.
哎呦我操！
差点搁那车贴上。
对呀、
You sorted?
I'm getting sick.
Oh, that's clever.
On the strap. And we must bear with us the certainty that he will be with us in Ephebi among the infidel.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Thursdays, it must have been. It was all so hazy now. He couldn't remember the thoughts he'd had then, just the shape of the thoughts. Everything.
Extinction events, which were global life form before the dinosaurs. I bet we only
clever.
got our opportunity.
Who are you gonna kill next, huh? Has anyone seen my dad since yesterday?
You fuckhead! Open your fucking eyes, you fucking idiot!
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
You're a yob or you're a wanker, take your fucking choice. So who is your favorite genius, James Hurd or James Joyce? You ever seen a live performance? Join the wanker club. You thought I meant tabletop dancing? Well, you're a yob or bub.
Shit. Whoa! Shit, yeah. It's like, fuck.
What are we doing, you fuck knuckle?
Take on lead first up this now on Gold 104.3. Better music and more of it.
That was a red light.
Hey, that's good. It was.
Ay.
we flew, good things we've been through.
It worked that way because the science actually takes usually several